Hope you are doing good. Today we tells you about top 10 natural ways to lower uric acid levels. Uric acid is formed when the body breaks down purines, crystalline compounds that are found in certain foods. This naturally occurring waste product, usually dissolved in the blood, passes through the kidneys and is removed the body by the urine. In gout, the uric acid crystals deposit in joints and most commonly in the big toe. High levels of uric acid can also lead to the formation of kidney stones and renal failure. Recent studies have also associated high blood uric acid with diabetes and heart disease. So before starting our video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. In the beginning of the video, we tell you the causes of high uric acid levels. The primary cause of high uric acid levels are increased production of uric acid and inability of the kidney in eliminating the uric acid from the body. A number of secondary factors may also result in high levels of uric acid like diuretics, sometimes called water pills, rid the body of salt and water. Excessive alcohol, family history, hypothyroidism, immune system and vitamin B3, obesity, psoriasis, purine-rich diet like seafood, organ meats, processed food items and food high in fructose, sugar, inability of the kidneys to filter waste, cancers or chemotherapy, sugar sweetened soft drinks, hormonal issues, metabolic imbalances. Exercising, fasting and crash dieting may elevate uric acid levels temporarily. So these are the main causes of high uric acid. You can avoid these factors in your daily routine. You can cure uric acid level. Symptoms of high uric acid levels. High levels of uric acid in the body are indicated by three types of symptoms. The first one is joint symptom. High concentration of uric acid in joints leads to symptoms in the form of gout, which includes pain, inflammation, swelling, redness, and tenderness in the joints like heels, ankles, fingers, wrist, and elbows when touched. Number two is skin symptom. After many years of high uric acid levels, the crystal of uric acid tend to form lumps beneath skin known as tophi. Though they are not usually painful, the tophi can become swollen and tender during gout attacks. Kidney symptoms. High uric acid levels may also lead to the formation of kidney stones, especially among men. The symptoms of which include back pain, pain in abdomen, severe pain in the area, a high fever, cold chills, nausea and vomiting and blood in the urine. Preventing high uric acid levels. Limit your alcohol intakes as it interferes with the elimination of uric acid. Avoid high fructose corn syrup or glucose fructose syrup as they tend to increase uric acid levels. Get regular exercise and maintain a healthy weight. It is believed that fatty tissue tends to increase uric acid production. Eat a balanced diet that is high in complex carbohydrates and low in protein. Avoid refined carbohydrates such as white bread, cakes, and candies. Cut back on food high in fat as it lowers the body's ability to eliminate the uric acid. Here are some ways to control uric acid levels. The first one is changes in diet. The first step towards controlling the rising levels of uric acid is eliminate the primary agent resulting in increased uric acid like purines. Avoid indulging a purine-rich foods and adopt an alkaline food instead. Purines are nitrogen-containing compounds that break down into uric acid, thus increasing levels in the body. They are mostly found in animal proteins. Fresh green vegetables are helpful to alkalinizing the blood, can reduce uric acid levels. Limit meat and seafood intake as they typically contain purine, a compound that can contribute a uric acid formation. An alkaline diet helps to reduce inflammation in the body that accompanies gouty arthritis. Number 2 is high fiber foods and starchy carbohydrates. Foods high in dietary fibers help lower uric acid levels by absorbing it and eliminating it from the body. You can also eat food with starchy carbohydrate as they contain only small amount of purine. According to the latest research, high fiber diet is helpful in inhibiting inflammation that is caused by monosodium urate crystals resulting from gout. Number 3 is lemon juice. Lemon juice actually helps to make the body too alkaline. It helps to neutralize uric acid by production of the calcium carbonate. It also contains vitamin C, which can help lower uric acid levels. Squeeze a lemon into a glass of warm water. Drink it in the morning on the empty stomach. Continue for last a few weeks. You can also take vitamin C supplements. For proper dosage and suitability, consult your doctor. Number 4 is cherries. Cherries and dark berries contains chemicals that help reduce uric acid levels. Purple and blue colored berries contain flavonoids called anthocyanins that helps lower uric acid and reduce inflammation and stiffness. Eat half cup of cherries daily for a few weeks. You can also drink 1 or 2 cups of tart cherry juice for about 4 weeks. Number 5, ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that are beneficial for joint pain and discomfort. Ginger tea can be a helpful remedy for the pain and discomfort associated with hyperuricemia. Number 6 is water. Drinking plenty of water helps to optimize uric acid and filtering. It helps dilute the uric acid and stimulates the kidney to eliminate excess amounts from the body through urine. Drinking adequate water regularly can reduce the risk of gout attacks. It has been suggested that people who drink 5 to 8 glasses of water in the 24-hour period prior to the possible gout attack had a 40% decreased risk of an attack compared with those who drank only 1 glass of water less. Drink about 8 to 10 glasses water throughout the day. Number 7 is dairy products. Low-fat milk and dairy products have been associated with lower plasma urate concentration and reduced risk of gout. Skim milk, for example, contains orotic acid that decreases the reabsorption of uric acid and promotes its removal through the kidney. Drink 1 to 5 cups of skim milk daily. You can also include low-fat yogurt and other dairy products in your diet. Number 8 is wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass helps restore alkalinity in the blood. It is rich in vitamin C, chlorophyll that promote detoxification. It is good source of protein and amino acid as an alternative to eating animal protein. So these are the best home remedies for high uric acid. You can prevent high uric acid by following these tips. For more suggestions and topics, please comment below. Thank you for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.